Science Fact File 1, second edition, Chapter 11, The Environment. Question number 6. The diagram shows a food chain. Rose, green fly, blue tit, sparrow, walk. How many links are there in this food chain? There are 4 links. What do the arrows mean in a food chain? The arrows indicates flow of energy along the food chain. Where does the energy come from for this food chain? Energy enters the food chain from sunlight by photosynthesis. Number 3. Energy comes from the sun. Number 4. Explain how energy enters a food chain. Energy enters the food chain from sunlight by photosynthesis. Question number 7. The diagram shows a food web for a pond ecosystem. Write down the 2 food chains ending with the water beetle. Name a water beetle. Elodia, snail, water beetle. Milfoil, tadpole, water beetle. Question number 2. Name a producer, a herbivore. A. Duckweed, Elodia, milfoil, microscopic algae. B. Herbivore, snail. C. A carnivore in this food web. Stickbag, water beetle, leech, dragonfly, nymph, etc. Suggest what might happen if the water snails were removed from the pond. The number of animals that feed on the snails, example water beetle, will be reduced in number. Explain why fungi and bacteria are important in this food web. Bacteria and fungi decompose the dead remains of the organisms living in this pond. These are used by producers, thereby recycling important elements.